Good morning. Um, this is Malo Clinton. So, like I said on the last video that I posted on YouTube, that I will create another one to explain a little bit more further about the strategy, the market maker strategy. So, some people have been asking on social media, what is this market maker strategy? Well, yes, Google. Let's just search what is the market maker. What are the market makers? Market makers. The market makers. Google will tell us. Okay, the market maker is a dealer in security or other assets or undertakes to buy and sell at specified times, at all times. So these people, they control the market at all times. The dictionary said so. So now we know. Let's look at some pictures. Okay, here's the market maker. The market maker gives sellers and buyers. They control the market on both sides. So these guys, they are the ones who always make profit. They always make profit. You can see there are no losses. They always make profit. So now we know who are these market makers. Now let's get right into it. So basically what the market makers do, they are all about inducing sellers and buyers. What is to induce? To induce is to force people to go in a certain direction. Meanwhile, you know very well that you are not going to that direction. So this is what they do. They force sellers and buyers to press and click on their MT4 buy and sell buttons. They force you to click these two buttons without knowledge, confusing you, giving you spikes, giving you momentum. You see, there are these people who trade momentum. Momentum is simple a force that forces something, that pushes something to go in a certain direction. So once you see a force, you want to enter. So that's what they do. They force you to enter. They force you to enter. So let me quickly show you how these people forces you. Let me just open my favorite pair. So this is what happens. These guys, they come down like that on the second day. On the Asian session, the blue session is the Asian session. They move back and forth, and then after that session, they spike up. As you can see, there's a spike here. They spike up above the high of the session. They spike up to induce buyers. When you buy here, they quickly pull down to take your money. This is what they do. They pull down. Most of the time, they pull down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then after that, they go back to the closing session, which is the New York session. They do the same thing. They do the same thing. They spike up, and then they come back down. The reason why I bought here is because I know that I'm expecting a retracement. This was a third move, counting from an hour time frame. This was the third move, and I know that they only move 3 moves. Then after that, to expect a retracement. That's why I bought here. I'm expecting a retracement to come back to my level where I anticipated from this line. I will take at least around 50 pips, and then that's it. I'm expecting another drop. So that's how you must trade. I can show you another pair. I can show you. This is what they do, these guys. You see, I bought here. This was a buy. I bought. It's a buy. Why did I buy? Because I know that these people, after this consolidation, they will spike up and then they must go down. Since here I bought is because this was a third move. On the third move, you don't expect any sellers. They will only tell you that they are going down in a very high momentum. You see this momentum? People sold here, and then I bought because I'm buying with them. Now, this rejection is because they rejected this point of yesterday. They didn't break it. They didn't break it. Let me put a line here. They did not break it. This point, they did not break it because they know that people who have sold here yesterday, or people who have put orders here, so that they are rejecting that point. And now they are going up. You can see this candlestick here. They went down quickly in 15 minutes. People entered with sales and then they pull back up. That's what they do. Let me show you this. What I'm talking about when I say it is the last drop. It was the last drop. Let me show you. From here, they went down. They came back up. They went down second time. They came back up. Third time. Now I know the third time I'm expecting a retracement up until this point, at least this point. This point, I'm expecting an adjustment up until this point. So I'm expecting to take around how much? Take around at least $10 per trade. $10 per trade. That's what I'm expecting. $10 per trade. You can see already I'm running on profit. This market maker strategy works. Let me show you my open trades right now. These are my open trades starting from up there. GBP AUD. GBP AUD. It's running with 3 trades, each close to at least below $10 each. So Euro USD is also on profit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades running close to $1. GBP USD is also a sell, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades, which are also some are on profit already. This one on profit. The other one are still coming. The GBP USD, another GBP, GBP AUD is on profit. On profit, you can see GBP. USD MXN is close to profit. It was, but it's still inducing sellers. But the USDs are these ones are the ones that are in loss, but they will come in because I'm using the market maker strategy. You can see that I'm raising this account from. Okay, let me show you from what. Let me go to my history. The deposit here, it was 155. I've gained a profit. Of how much? Gained a profit of $64 already. My account is on 220% on close profit, but it's running on 288, close to $300 now. So I'm about to double my account. You can see the running profits. The running profit is around $70. Yeah, so this market maker strategy works. You better try it out there. It's simple. What you need to be able to see proper signals on the market maker strategy, you need the following. You need the TDI plus 4794 lines. You need this TDI, and you need the EMAs. The EMAs are these lines: the yellow line, the red line, the blue line, which is the water, and the white one, which is the what do you call this? Baseline or something. Yeah, and then this one, the ocean. You also need it. So you also need, what else do you need? You need the ADR markers, and the high of the day and the low of the day markers. These lines, you need them. Yeah. So yeah, from there you can start trading the market maker strategy. That's all about it. Yeah. If you need more videos, you can alert me by commenting below, and subscribe and click the bell button to be alerted. As soon as I release a video, you'll be alerted in an email. Yeah, you'll be alerted. So do that. Yeah, looking forward to see more of your comments. chase.